This is a brief tutorial that goes over some of the unique features of Debuggex. It assumes that you already have some familiarity with regular expressions, but if you don't, there will be more comprehensive tutorials in the future. Let's start with a simple task. We want to match all of the monetary values in this string. We can write our regular expression in this box up here. First, we start by matching a $sign. As we type, this diagram gives us a visual representation. We can see our matches highlighted in our test string in alternating orange and yellow colors. This section shows us random matches corresponding to our regular expression. For now, a single $sign is the only valid match. All of these sections update in real time as you type your regular expression. Let's continue by matching one or more digits after the $sign. Looking down at our test string, we can see the pieces that our regular expression matches. Suppose we wanted to figure out why this $2,000 matches. To do that, we can use this gray slider over here to walk through the match one step at a time. We can see that a $sign is expected and a $sign is about to be read. After one step, a digit is expected and a 2 is about to be read. After one more step, a digit is expected and we're in the final state. When the final state is highlighted, it means that there's a valid match ending at that position. The highlighted portion in the string may not end there if there are other valid ways to get to the end state. This depends on any surrounding characters and any greedy or reluctant quantifiers you have in your regular expression. If we step all the way to the end of the match, we end up expecting a digit, but about to read a space. Taking one more step, we see that there are no remaining markers in the diagram. This means that no matter what we have after the space, no match would extend past it. That's what this red underline symbolizes. Now, let's figure out why the 511 pounds doesn't match. To do that, we use this black triangle slider to move to the position we want to inspect, right at the beginning of the 511 pounds. After that, we use the gray slider just like before. In this case, we don't need it because it's the first character that's the problem. We're expecting a $sign, but there's a pound sign here. To fix this problem, we just need to alter our regular expression to make sure it allows pound signs. Now, all of our matches are working properly. Let's do one more example. Pretend that we had a typo in our regular expression. We can see that this portion is now incorrect. To fix it, we can do the same thing again. Drag the black triangle slider to the beginning of where you want to inspect, and now the 9 is automatically underlined with red. That means the error is probably there. We use the gray slider to go to just before the 9, and we can see that we're expecting a 0 through 8. We can go to our regular expression and fix the error. Note that as we drag this black slider, the text down here updates to tell us whether we can reach the end state at all from that position. That is, if a match is possible. We can also get another view of our regular expressions by using this slider. If we, say, drag to just before the digit, it'll show us all of the positions in our match that we potentially expected a digit. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time, and don't forget to follow us at twitter.com/debuggex and like our page at facebook.com/debuggex.